things of eternal value are to be cherished than that of earthly values. If you cannot beat them, you join them. Peter behold the glory of the Lord, he said, it would have been better.
God bless you, Rigo.
One for Elijah.
Mommy Stella, the world queen. God bless you.
In Ecclesiastes, there is time for everything. A time to let things happen and a time to make
Please share this broadcast. God bless you. Share on. God bless you. Oh, God bless you. This comrade New Think Minigundia, big shop of activism, broadcasting from a place that looks like heaven and on earth. We often use that word because of the way our political shenanigans have turned our country to become. All these things you are seeing is man-made. It was not created by God. When the Whitey say, let there be light, God said, let there be light. The Whitey said, they said yes. While the Nigerian political body that they said there should not be light. So, be that because they become so wicked that even the pains of the innocent poor citizen who they have decimated their life, it does not concern them. Imagine me, myself, that have not eaten from political money. Those states have not given me anything. Now my highest money. Account. When people are sitting down upon billions of dollars. Now take pay. But it pays me more today that a lot of us, we don't know what we are doing. That's why we are even fighting ourselves. Why will you start supporting one billionaire who have put our state in a state of gadaga? You know, we are assuming everything is good, perhaps nothing is working at all. Nothing is working. Only one governor we have right now who would have even at least let try and have a structure for the state. We no one agree. The reason why it's like that, I don't know. You know, I like showing things. Make a show now mortuary. Our mortuary for here, it better pass House of Senate. May I show now mortuary. Mortuary. It's called Tanatorio here. That the name is being called. Now they see so the building of mortuary may I just park. See now mortuary be this. Mortuary now be this. Where dead bodies be kept. You can see how beautiful it is. This one a mortuary, mortuary in the city where I live. Where dead body, the people that are not relevant. Do we even have a place like this where an orphanage even they stay? After all, they can die. Who sent? But even the people that we are crying for, we are in sober reflection for, they're not sorry for themselves. Now that one pay me pass. Huh? You see food eat today, you say you don't finish. Then you don't talk about tomorrow. We are interested about your tomorrow. Any person that is fortunate, you have paper here abroad. At least, now small prayer you get. Now me you last, now can't remain. Because if hungry even pursue you enter treat. We try the government here, it get where it go hard for you reach. They'll be concerned to make sure they help you out. That's the best way it functions here. But not until we got it clear that hunger virus, COVID-19 60, it kill more than coronavirus pandemic, things don't go better. So I came up this afternoon to have a little drive around in my city to tell you that a good society is affordable. The thing is that the problem we have here is that we're voting thieves. We're voting people that have no head. We're voting people who cannot deliver. That's the major problem we have today. And nobody is seeing those things as a problem. We are counting, we are in lockdown right now. You can see people, they are not usually going to kill their people. Some areas, some stores, this Idotra area, I think it's Benin, in Edo, it's called Idotra Park. It's called Polygono here. Idotra Zone, it's called here in Europe. It's called Polygono. You can see that a lot of shops are opening already. Upon say they are dying. They try to right now, people must not have to die in hunger. But our own policeman go keep people. Hunger go keep people. Then what is our leader doing about this? They are not doing anything about it. Nobody really cares about it. Then we talked about abroad. Abroad was not created by God. I want you to get it clear today. For those of you that campaigning for people because of what you are going to eat, what pays me most today right now, everybody is in social media because of somebody has promised you something. Somebody has promised you money. The same bad people who have decimated our country. And they have nothing they want to come and complete. We have the right to support Obaseki. I will give you 6 million reasons why Obaseki should be re-elected again. 1, he has a project he needs to complete. 2, he has heard. 3, we are seeing that what you people used to do, he don't want to follow no do him again. Right now, Obaseki is not sharing money. We hate him. I'll be saying it. Bring out one particular thing that Obaseki was caught in the fraud. Bring it out. I will be the first person to start humiliating the administration. We criticize constructively. Matthew Guzidene government because government not be our mate. But not be only Agbedagbiye because there are ways to talk to the government, we slowly walk away like Greg David. You go think about himself. For how long are we going to keep on living like this? Nobody says the truth. The people that be assuming, I'm fighting for the poor, they are fighting for themselves. Let nobody deceive you. That is why whatever thing you are seeing is not well placed. Be the one to come and condemn it. Don't throw any person platform you never trust to begin to sow anything. Because those people, they are for themselves. You can see right now, renovation is going on. Not to do here. Not to do here. They will just destroy the Duam again. You know? Projects are going on here. We don't see on our head since. This one is not even the road right now. This one is not even road right now. And you don't see money we are budgeted for all this. And they are doing it. Their people is happy. The road is still our problem. Waiting can't pay me part this period. People cannot even eat. People cannot eat because there is no better structure on ground for these people. We have been crying. Please, stop this killing. Even when the government is ready, the people, they are not ready. Because they don't want to tell and ESM say, please stop killing. Then how government want to do all? Only on local government give 14 days ultimatum inside last month for the Fulani herdsmen to leave. The people remaining today in Orion car way remain. Now people wait did pull hand for their back, say, not come out every day, you can start killing. Then a state where human beings don't value, that say we never go forward. We must stop deceiving ourselves. Now, what is the cause of hunger in our country? Why hunger in our country when we have a fertile land? Spanish here, there is no plant you plant here without irrigation. It's not day. There is nowhere you will plant crops here in Spain that you don't put irrigation in place. In no day. But our own, we they do irrigation. No, we don't do irrigation. Why is it that we don't, the food we are even producing cannot even feed our people? Why is it like that? Because the government, they are not serious. Even the people in charge, now those one I can worse pass. Then we are waiting for a better society. I don't choose right now to drive around for you to know that the things you see there abroad, now human being, not do them. And even the now with the insult at times say they don't know God. Una way no God in our country not better. Now Africa call God pass. Now they doom pass. Why is it like that? Because you people never want to use your head to do anything. You feeling now Holy Ghost will come tie road. Now Holy Ghost will be now go make you engineer. What Holy Spirit does, He gave you empowerment. And now be say, even the Oyibo here, now Holy Spirit, now they encourage them. How did they got the grace in everything they are doing? You cannot expect you did not read, then you want to go into classroom. May you go to remember what you not study. That is going to be very, very impossible. So if we must go forward, we must stand to speak against whatever thing is bad. We have to start to speak against it. Because the way most of us are taking this whole thing, this politics of a thing, we find out that most people, they are there for themselves. They are not after the state. Some of them, they are talking about their political party. Their political party, now they save. They are not planning to save the state. If the little we have here abroad, if the mad way, good mad way people where they abroad get, now people where they Nigeria get, Nigeria for done better. Most of the real people today who talked about the real gene, now people where they abroad, people where they say they don't care. That's why they can even use you to do money. They can force you to support some certain government. At the end of the day, if money enter the constituency, now they're not going to take them. They force people to do one manner of thing that is not even in their mind. Then whom are we deceiving? How we feel we go to have a better society. And for you out there, you are in Benin right now, you choose to come to Benin. There's nothing bad about you staying in Benin. If what you are earning cannot sustain you in Benin, relocate back to a close village. Start your life off from there. Because we cannot continue this kind of life. Okay, right now, after COVID-19, after this pandemic, do you know what's going to happen? A lot of people's condition have been like this before. It's just that this pandemic can't really make an open where we're right now. We are not seeing it that people are not really being able to take care of themselves and all of that. The few the government can do. If I thought the government today choose to be sharing one bag of fries for each house for every month, people go see they will go hungry. One, there are things we are supposed to be getting free from the farm. Like Gary. Any Edo person with the bag Gary, let me not use bad word. It shows that you are not that competent enough to even live on earth. Because Gary is supposed to be our natural food that everybody can have a farm and do it. If you are a lecturer, you are a senator, no problem. You can afford it. What is the need of you struggling to buy Gary when you are village? Which not the key person for village according to JB. All of us are running. We are running for which? We run for everything. But which not the worry you even pass when they worry. You know, none of us is farming. We'll buy yam, we'll buy plantain. All these are the things God have given us for free. We made by ourselves. If you are not going to start buying Indomie, because okay, right now you have nothing, or you cannot really produce Indomie, or you cannot do rice farm, and that no problem. Know that you buy Gary, or to fried pepper you go back, or to okra you go back. How will you survive that? And how much is the minimum way that is going to sustain you? How was our great grandfather? How was they be able to make life? They make life by this farming. Why not let begin to use our hand to do something? That's why we are talking to the government. We are trying to make sure we put the necessary measures that all of you are being protected in whichever way the government can protect you by providing security. Area where there are security today right now, the youth, they are killing themselves. They are killing themselves because of their ignorance or something. Nobody talked about killing is bad. It's like everybody in Nigeria right now, there are something we are using the so-called blood for. The elder, they cannot stop anything. The governmental body, they are not putting the necessary measure in place to make sure we have a better society. Right now, see our youth, the videos are everywhere killing themselves. Let's bring out a seminar or workshop and how people can be taught life. Be that if they cannot face it like that, all of them should start facing discipline. There is discipline here abroad. If Ogbalegbe caught you here abroad, then you are receiving call, you are driving, then they will sanction you. If get can way go commit here, they go remove points from your travel from your driver license. If bad Ogbalegbe catch you say you dey receive call, you go subtract 2 points common. If they even test you say you drink, you dey drive, you get number where supposed to reach past that number. I can always suppose where you supposed to even put for man. They'll remove this thing. All thing they go remove. If you cannot take it, they'll remove all your points. So you left without driving license. If you are being caught again, either they'll go carry you, lock you, or there's a law that guide this place. A place where there is no law and order. What did you expect? Then these same leaders, they will run here abroad. So una not they like any better thing we see for here. Una not they like them. Those days, when our grandfathers, our father, most of our father sent their children abroad in the 70s, in the 80s, you know, when their son come, their son go say, okay, Irima, we so they do for that side. Our leader, they do travel. Now, Leo Baseki now, for the old governor, we don't see for Benin. We try to even draw the initiative of the YTs, but they don't let us see road. But I hear people talk about their wealth. Must it be you all the, it must not have to be you all the time. The well-being of the people should be your first priority. As I just did now, days I car, whether na keke na pen or na cow, AC they blow me they go. I'm not saying. Now so the life reach. You yourself you go die one day. So that is life. The well-being of other people should be your first priority. After this driving around today right now, and maybe I'll still lose about 10 euro fuel or something. Am I doing it to exaggerate? Does the car even worth 500 naira? No. But why am I doing it? To try to see, give us some certain clue about the environment we're facing here. It was not created by God for those of you who never wants to grow. It's man-made. We have a natural, Spanish have no specific natural resources. They plant, they do planting. Ties, whether they do not be natural resources. All those machines were created. But we have oil inside the ground. Just for you to make the oil to become something else, you sell and get money. Yet, Nigeria they awkward pass. Nigeria is one of the countries right now who cannot take care of its citizens, from federal level to the state level. Right now, these are Majiri. Now they take the bastard out everywhere now. Why would federal government of Nigeria call for lockdown? Then now people they travel up and down. Why is it like that? Every one of us should begin to ask ourselves questions. For how long are we going to continue this kind of life we are living right now? And where is the way about this thing we are doing? Look at those state politics today. One of the most awkward politics I've ever seen in my life. One of the most awkward scenarios I've ever seen. A working governor, somebody decamp or deflect from his own party. If you really want to take back your mandate, for example, stay where you are and take it back. So you come and fight the executive, the incumbent government of the state. You want to come and force him to put him down there. You must be a terrorist. I will classify you as a terrorist for it. Because it sound very archaic. And here we are, some of those, you are using the life of other people to start playing politics. There's no longer time for politics. We have to face reality of lives. We have to face reality of lives. Okay, now, the whole project of Obaseki have on ground, who is to finish it? Did you have the plan of Edo State in your hand? Nobody got the plan. Obaseki is the one writing out the plan right now, who is even drawing the vision. Okay, what are you going to come and complete? Let this man finish his job. You cannot expect me right now. I have a contract which I'm doing, for example. That contract, by the grace of God, if I do it well, it can last for 8 years. Then you are not doing all manner of things to make sure you kick me out of there. What about if I don't give you the plan? Then your money will waste. Let it finish the plan. Let it finish it. You can come back next time. After all, it's not mandatory you must rule. Construction. Our people right now, we are looking for farm work for them. Do you know how many people have called me yesterday, today? I tell me I look for how I want to go farm. Now it's okay, I will call somebody for you. If people tell me now say farm work, I have to be using my phone to be carried them down there. They're waiting and see for life. Somebody share food just the same way I shared food, everybody is sharing. Then your own became another thing. How you make the money? Where do you suffer for the money? Were you a medical doctor? How many of you can even defend your own money in that state? You cannot defend where you get your money from. The only rich person we can find out that who can defend his money in that state Well, one of the first our beloved father is Esama Benin Kidon. Esama Benin. Igbinedion himself. Osawaru Igbinedion. Who can defend his riches? Because failing, they got their riches from somewhere. But all of us today, we come to a political arena, then we are sucking the old money. And we are even sucking it, the well-being of the people, not they concern us. Then where do we get these minds from? The well-being of the people should be your first priority as a leader. What must we not do? How many of the chieftains, APC or whatever, PDP, who is so much concerned about this cultism killing in Edo State? Then all of you will come and let me vote for you. Show your leadership from somewhere. Both of you that is fighting Obaseki today, fight Fulani herdsmen, brought a bill, even summoned the government. Government, why are you not talking about Fulani herdsmen? You are lying to kill my people. None of them, they accuse them for that one. You people want to come and rule. You want to come out because I know say money they there. That tax that they pay, they join them. Una for come out. The main work is that you guys are not doing it. As if say you come in there, you get one better thing what you want to do. Thieves. All we do now they slow down. If we are not ripping, we not then go ripping. Because this is becoming too much. This error must have to be corrected. If you cannot correct this error, if nobody that can correct it, we are done. Oyibo is being elected here. They always come and serve. They come and serve. They don't come here. They don't just come to political arena because they need money. It's service to the people. That's when you are choosing leadership. But anytime we are being chosen as a leader in our country, opportunity for me to loot. There's the ability to loot and loot and loot and loot and even suck the state. Then you guys are not a state where you have been a politician. Now the one, now they see the Tosi hospital, not they. Now governor, now where he can't come. Una the shame now say what you guys have not been able to do. Now Obaseki they do today so. As soon as they worry Obaseki wrongly, Osalobo have worry wa. Ya wa be amege no wa be period now. Because ama you were so asene. As soon as they worry that man, because we will not be politicians, we are seeing him do something. We are seeing the man try to turn the state. At least he's in acceleration. And those say that's a camino. And those say that's a bueno mano. It must not have to be you all the time. Put your certificate or your billboard in whatever. You now don't see me jump police. We are in lockdown here. Where are you going right now? Tell them I want to go and buy something for supermarket. You people take law into your hand. The time you would have even joined the government, bring better idea. That idea where you get, where you keep, where you want to do for a those state. Give them the clue. Oh man, they okay. If not, okay now where you state now. They make book be. My man say, but my work book man. You know. People or everybody is debating based on what they can get. Oh man, no campaigning man because of his belly. Oh man, you are campaigning for anybody because of what they have promised you. Because this state is for everybody. If I don't the rest for everybody, una see una okay una tire. We have a bog have a bow you wear. Have a gualo you wear. Have a bed. Because on us you when you are going after we go assassinate them, we do what beluwa. Unatise will never be investigated all of now. When they governor of a day, a courtesy were making an achievement, you know. Are you here? Very irresponsible generation. I have no apology for that. Or most of them, they are very irresponsible generation. What legacy are you leaving behind? Look at the boss you got taught something today right now. They are not using gun to kill themselves in the street. And you guys are we need to collect this gun from our children. Why are you guys not collecting this gun from your children? If really you guys are responsible, then you are our father. Then you got for them to vote for you. All your children will be very done in school. Because a lot of people, since yesterday, people that are supposed to even be working right now, any money from the government, they are calling everybody abroad, they are disturbing everybody. One even me, who are you gualobai? What if you have a problem? One even me, you people are so greedy. Most of us here, how much do we want in a day abroad? If you want too much, you want 60 euro a day. Transportation river, but you are soft from the state. on Aladian, I suffer for why is suffer no we suffer? Or I suffer in Manalo to idea we boy. Partland come down. I want the European to give all of you visa. If you can survive 1 year here. If you can survive 1 year here, you are fiano. Yeah, you are. Is it because you were too educated that makes you to become multi-millionaire? It's because when the main people that were supposed to speak in the country, they kept silent. The fools, they multiply. That's why. We know people today would have even be the forefront of these riches in Edo State. Who burn midnight candle. Here we are today. And I blame the so-called the people where they say they go school. Election will be coming. Instead of you people to carry yourself, come out during election. We are not the bring yourself out. Agbe now we can come out now. Go do a manner of thing for government. Why they not go empower them before? How many of these students today? Just the way we are in the association today right now. You don't see people get involved in it for a better society. Okay, you know they join advocacy for a better society. You know they join politicians. What is your problem? Agbe will not say there is never a time he can be able to function. That's why they derive a method of doing the so-called some stupid politicians to go into election. Because they don't say if they work for them, they must eat. So you, the student, were who were Zua. You better, your papa and mama for not born you. How you know book rich? A lot of you that go to school today, you can even do the campaign mother. Be in the forefront. Run politics. Other politics will match you. Later, okay, who give the chance to the Agbero? Who gave the chance to the Agbero? Ask me, who gave the chance to them? Why you not go follow them? Can Agbero speak English more than you? Even most of us today, some system men where we go school. Why not be in the forefront? Must it be Agbero? Must it be Agbero? After you guys might have said yourself, so that your destiny, then you start complaining. I imagine a graduate in Agbero that does not even go to school, who cannot even write his name, can eat and become multi-millionaire. Then you yourself, how are you living your life? How are you living your life, you yourself? Agbero that cannot write his or her name. The reason why your father and your mother send you to school, now may life for not hard you. And yet you go to school today and now you life hard path. You'll be fool. Because there are things you are supposed to put in place which you never want to do. In abroad here right now, we know how we survive. It has not been easy. When construction crisis hit nearly the whole Europe, notably Spain, in 2008, we derived another method. That today, at the Bush amount today. That's why I've been charging some of our commercial activists and all these social media news. Bring out what you can do. Bring it out. Bring it out. Not until you face some certain responsibility. You don't just come and talk. How are we teaching this very new generation? Is the question. Where I think when did you even have influence that can give any person contract to get paper abroad? When water, what can you do? Just to come on social media and brainwash some fools who never wants to learn, who does not use their platform to talk about the well-being of their state, who feel where man Italoni who says who they suffer for this jam, they see they know them. The Bible said by their fruit you shall know them. So every one of us, because body they pepper everybody. Body they pepper everybody. And for those of us that is always calling, learn how to call your politicians. Learn to call your politicians. Because I want to provoke most of you so that you wake up from your slumber. Because it's not becoming, it's not funny any longer, you know. We are here trying to see the best way we can help you people so that you have good life and have it in abundance. But we are not ready to help ourselves. How will somebody be trying to help you? You yourself, you never want to help yourselves. You can see all we I'm showing right now. Because the Europeans or the Western world, they have a plan. Right now, Nana plan, they come at those states. Nana people, they rigmarole up and down. If not for personal service grid, why would somebody be very interested? Not be said the seat is not even vacant. If you were to be that person when a pastor man, do we know we are going. We are going. We might give me no one else one billion man essence. Obaseki is even too gentle. I will use my legislative power, my power to make sure if jail one because you are constituting nuisance in the state. I will lock down what I gather. If federal government no fit jail una for that primary election won't and go because you people are not law abiding in any form. You are not law abiding in any form. Now so now all what they do illegal. Now so the Edo State government was not around the other day. You people went and do rally. Why must you who are getting me government enough? Why me no your gun? As you people refuse to respect this very administration, why me no your gun? Imaga bugbe you wa no ya bagbe wa we ni mare lado. Wa we mare lado. Or if you want to why you because you have problem in here. We are going to give all of you problem because we have kept silent as if we were who are decodu. Are you people want even a ruwa you wa una great founder is one of the founding founder of the state. We also have historical background in that very Edo. But today now we are counting a lot of people to be minority as if now we get power pass. If you want to bear, if they will talk about book, I want him but una put them aside. If you cannot carry gun, you can. If you see what you can deliver, who they use barrel for them and where they on there. You must get gun. What me and Sisina, your children are quarreling. You can go find any side. Today now, I am a leader. Maybe a squad in maybe lead. A leader for a better society. Let one of you also try and stop cultism in Edo State. I think the government will be happy. If you people brought out a proactive measure, meet Edo State government. It's accessible. Your Excellency, the way our children are killing themselves in this very state, we want to put an end to it. Oh, man, I media. No, we governor Basaki. When I stop a courtesy, when I will stop it, then we take it from there. But today, now, none of you is serious about it. All of you want to go to Osadebe Avenue. Okay, what you are going there to do in Osadebe Avenue, we want to start seeing it now. It's an assignment for you people. What you are going to Osadebe Avenue to go and do, you start it now. That is why my kind of person is what I'll be showing in the way I talk. One, I don't insult children because I'm not a fool. Who live in glass does not throw stone. A responsible man that have children don't lay curse on that people's children. Is only a man that is insane. A man that is not responsible. You know, that's it. A man that loves his wife, you know, carry the stage women for fight. So by so doing, you've been able to get my blood due to what comes out of my mouth. So let us see what is coming out from your mouth. What you have in your head, your administration, a government in our worry. Even some private individual, to what they have. If I have 1,000 euro, I brought that 400 inside, and we're 20 billion. 1 million. Who has spent the highest money? I have spent the highest money. I spend the highest money. So we don't have or anybody, but a campaign you better not share the food. Before this time, what have you been doing in this state? How many people, how many of these pupils is writing the book you share for them? Uno. This supermarket here, this is supermarket. Have it that renovated now. Have it that renovated. Oh, yeah, now in heaven. I know where to live better life here in Spain. You go work by. You can be here in Spain, you can be here in Spain and you have no life at home. So what are we talking about? They don't intimidate people here. Do whatever thing you can do to help yourself. That is just the fact. But our own will become so archaic. Our life became a different thing entirely. And nobody bloody care about it. Nobody care about the well-being of the people. All we care about is our own selves. That's what we care about. Life will not go forward like that. Life will not go forward like that. You guys chase people away from home. You chase them away from home by implementing things you are not supposed to implement. And right now, our people cannot go to farm. Majority of our mothers in the village, they cannot go to farm. Why not bring out a measure on how Fulani Esme is going to live? Then we not see a man ugly. Then you went to go and share food. You people are deceiving people there. Knowing a pastor, all of you are devil. If not for Esama of Benin, Mona go see Lucky. He not rule Edo State for 8 years. He get to her today. Wait, he get 8 years. Why call you? If you work and repay, all your children go to reap whatever thing you are doing. Because all of you will find out that you are coming there for your pocket. If you are not coming there for your pocket, I see no reason why Obaseki should be disturbing his own party. In his own party. The only good thing Oshomole left behind for those things was Obaseki that imagine when we go back when Oshomole he himself come like that. Go and look at go and send your people home. Let them show you project. Okay, what's your problem? What are you disturbing the man for? Up to now, nobody know what you guys are disturbing him for. Nobody know what you guys are disturbing him for. And even what son of repay, who will repay, you are going to repeat. You must not have to be a governor before you speak against some certain things. No, it's not compulsory you be a governor. It's not compulsory. From where you are, you can speak against anything. I'm not a governor today. I own my network. I did good or bad. After about 1,000 comments, a vows were what you the thought so not good. At least out of about 998 comments, say what I'm doing is good. Whenever another time, either you are jealous, you cannot do what I do, or you are just begin to envious, or one of those shenanigans sent you here to come and start misbehaving. What the people that's agitating today, they have good lives. Are you going to talk to Bayeli? Are you going to talk about Nnamdi Kanu? Are you going to talk about Citizen Yewa? Are you going to talk about Samuel Ekpa? Simeon Ekman? Are you going to talk about Mayogun Dare? Or you want to talk about my own boss? And some other good people who I can only remember their name right now. Okay, who is one is suffering inside? Who even need the better society pass? Even when my father was alive, Uronigbe people, they can testify. My father never wanted, he don't even know road to the farm. Because he was not interested. He lived his life. We never lack food at home. Then why would I be insisting that we must have a general society? Our people must not be killed. That is to say, I pity your mother. That is rigmaroling today. What shall it profit a man to get the whole world and suffer the loss of his own soul? And what shall a man give in an exchange for eternal life? Certainly nothing. So what are we going to gain? What are we going to gain? We know the people who also borrow clothes, who cannot even wear clothes abroad. We know ourselves here. We are not politicians, but our life is far better now. What we have enjoyed, we will never enjoy. What we have enjoyed, we will not feel enjoy. By fly private jet. We have lived down a legacy already. That's the most important thing. And they will always tell us where education is the best legacy you can give to your child. Good name is the best legacy you can leave down in society. Not this one we are doing. We are not going to benefit it like this. Everybody disturbing Obaseki. Is it because the man is cool? Solve that problem as a good citizen. As a politician, fix in other problem. Not even sharing food. No, na allow our papa, mama, wagin amyo de la yubo. The young people should be encouraged. Now Pastor Zege is ya mobilize youth. If you see what he don't do for this Obaseki regime, he had a seminar one day. He talked about the youth, the reason why they must discolonize their mind from courtesan. Pastor Zege, the government will appreciate you. The government need people who will come out and draw us on certain initiative. Just the way I'm doing it right now. I'm coming to Benin. We have a prophet who will say how you people plan it, the bullet you people use. Thank God, God is raising up people today. We not just carry they do this thing. So if you want to kill anybody, as soon as you kill anybody who is agitating for a better society, my own are not born in it. But what they expected, you are not going to stay on the planet Earth. That's just one thing. Because this nonsense, this error must have to be corrected. Because when Wagwan, they say they go kill you. Imagine someone that was one first called terrorist, called all name in the world. Today that person is not a righteous man. And what you have said against that person is still there. How you go to clean it? That's why we don't say what we don't know. We say things ahead. So that if you want to misbehave, mind the way you misbehave. If Oriomo prophet cannot say it, we will see it in a circle. So, or you people you start doing hunting. Why you are away hunting? That's the only way you people is going to live on planet Earth without having problem. Because we are very ready for you people. Because the way is getting too bad. If I carry my responsibility about 1 million dose or let's say 500,000 dose, a lot of us will do a manner of shape, particularly the women. That's why the respect I have for the women today, nobody have it for them because I know what they went through. They saw her. They may not remember. They saw her when they were coming to Europe. Why did they leave? Because the state was in the state of Gadaga. They all left. Okay, now, this generation right now, every one of us, our enemy is almost being frustrated. Because this is the best we can do. Apart from right now, you win a lottery. Most people that build too flat, I might finish here. Because when I hear a big way down already. The only way you can get 24-hour job right now, who are here UK, and those ones they are ready to finish you with work. After working for 10 years, then who you the rest days of your life, hospital can hear you. That's what they do. Now we have tried our best, but a generation no day. May we not still let them go through what we go through. You guys should allow the generation that is coming, allow them to go through the same process of time we went through. It was not easy for us. Please, that's why we are wanting a government that will put down something that will build on the future. Let people have access to the road to their farms. I want to have a this topic because government of Nigeria right from time. I do tell people they have not been sharing money. I'm not being go nowhere. But you can fix in doing something. One person asked me one day when we were talking on private phone. He says, sir, we thank you for your struggle. If everybody is doing the same thing you do right now, Maria Amil de la Yubo. A lot of people do call Amil de la Yubo. Why would we keep on saying it? But the other statesmen who are this called political shenanigans, they doesn't bloody care about you. They doesn't bloody care about you. These are the problem. How will you be a politician? That is to say you are coming to come and eat money. Start the working now. If I thought I'm going to Osowari right now, he want to become a leader tomorrow, for example, he has begun to prove him his leadership already. He hates oppression. That's why he's still calling for revolution now. Start it ahead. If you want to be a governor, let us be seeing your handwork first way. Stop courtesan killing. Let that one be your assignment. Take something from the state and solve one problem. You must have to solve one problem. You have to solve one problem for crying out loud. So don't just take it where, yes, it's rosy like that. You want to come and lead us and you are not showing any sign. Before people start following me, they've already seen the sign of leadership in me. They've seen it already. That's why if I'm talking to any of my members, if I'm querying them for anything, please, I'm sorry, no, because I don't bully you. You should be sorry like ego. I tell you, we're better level now. I would like, okay, now, I'm coming to come and contest, for example, may God not let bad thing happen. Because everyone in an rule. Go work by my career. Now, I'm coming to come and rule. What sign did I have? What proof did I have that I can be a good leader of tomorrow? I have no proof because I have not been acting. But if you have been acting, automatically you will be elected and selected. As they are selecting you, you will be elected immediately. Okay, this person can fist up in this thing. All these Egbe that we have today, the people that call themselves number 10 man, why they know you they are Egbe? If they all Egbe we have at home and they are millionaire, why can't they stop the killing of Fulani herdsmen? If they leave pack their body the way they clean, it's not because of this partisan. Because they prefer their party than the diner those. But the diner those don't have sense. You are following these people to start committing evil. If they die today, they have enjoyed. Imagine you die on top of drinking Gary, while a lot of people are going to die on top of a man and a we. Point and key, organ wui. After eating ground to you, but for you to join the struggle, at least, Guamutiana, no wayenama. Right now, we are blaming the government. Have government ever wanted share food? Even sharing food, are you guys not happy? Someone that went with all our state money. The two major projects they said they did. These are blanks. Now blanks they go so. Oh, sorry. Let it turn. We can see on that side. You can see that side. That's our blanks. For us to live a better life is a problem. Do something now, do something. So that as a pastor, I get okay, one come. We will be seeing this might really try. If not be pastor, I guess they are more. If not, they go farm. Do you know what this man did? He wrote a very drastic letter to federal government. He encouraged Matthew Rohide. He encouraged so and so person. They are representing Edo in Abuja to make sure the sanity to be. We cannot continue. They are not doing anything. Already their wife is not the farm. Are you not seeing these people that they are for themselves? Why men one? Why men one? Huh? Some village right now, they cannot go to farm. Most women, Fulani herdsmen don't rape them. For that beneath there, a Nagbe water. A lot of them, they are first raped. Do a man know why? A lot of these women that Fulani herdsmen have attacked in the farm, most of them are first raped. They cannot say because it's going to be a shame. Nagbe water. Do you know the humiliation they have faced? If two people, prominent 4 persons, chieftains, APC, PDP, came out and said this thing must stop, carry your boys. Not only during a time of election. No, no, see no woman. Why see the less privileged ones? But that one does not fring them. Or you live a better life. I don't know what's your people's problem. Okay, what are you going to gain? This life is just one life. After that, the judgment. You are going to die. Nobody that's not going to die. Abakari mamu or mamu fenari. Or mamu fenari. Here is a shopping complex. Let me show us a shopping complex. Here's the biggest shopping complex you can talk about. You can see everywhere. It's beautiful. It is human being that did it. It was done with money. It was done with money. Everything you see abroad is done by human being. Motor we cannot manufacture. Our people we cannot protest. We cannot protect. Upon say we are getting help from foreign bodies. EU are giving us money. America are giving us money. Germany are giving us money. If me even donate money, give the federal government of Nigeria, they don't say leave and use to take care of yourself. They'll still take it and hide it. But yet, they're not using and help their people. If their people are hungry, they are not. How can you go and be doing primaries? In that those state there, when the COVID-19, you are not helping the government to fight COVID-19. Then what kind of leader are you? Those people should be arrested for violating social distance. They should be arrested because they cannot continue violating the constitution. Who born? Here is hashtag equality. You don't do anyhow here. King of Spain. Felipe says to, if he do anyhow, go see anyhow. King. Okay, it's bad because it was reconnecting. Please make sure you share this broadcast. You know, something happened. Could you know the way I will be sanctioned? They revoked that sanction that was given to him. Yeah, they follow it suitably. They don't say because you are this, you are above the law. No, a country where some people are even above the law. They are above the law. They can gather anytime that pleases them. They do not follow constitution. They do not follow apes and odectic. They do not follow anything that has to do with the state. They take law into their hand. That state will not go forward. It's only poor man that feels the pains up to today. Only poor man that feels the pain. This lockdown, a poor man the sufferer. Whatever thing that is happening today, it affects the poor man. And the same poor man, they become mumu. They don't know themselves. That's the problem. And even when you even try to tell them, please, respect yourself, is a problem. They will never respect themselves. Whatever thing we are doing ourselves. James chapter 4 verse 17. He said, those that know how to do good and do it not to them become a sin. If God has given me the voice to say the truth, then I'm not saying it. To me, automatically it becomes a sin. For real. There are things we're supposed to get clear by now. Not be here we're supposed to do. Or how can a dog be by now? I don't know how we are going to live here. Right now, we see a governor who is trying by his best. I'm not trying to say we're not God, but he is trying his best. He's trying his best. There are mega infrastructure development that is going on in all loops and corners. We are not to see that one. All of them want company I can't share money. Let it be say you are coming to come and work without pay. Come and work without pay. Be transparent. Even the feed the money, now work what they do. Money where you don't forget until they feed your family. If any of you is even there that can even sustain it. All of us, the house at the Bay Avenue, they are mock work. You must not have to be a government before you do anything. When I see they condemned on something what they talk, so it must not have to be the government. You can come out with an initiative. This thing are so supposed to do. Advise the government of the day. You will also yield to it and begin to work by it. You know? He can also listen to you and say, okay, if you're not going to listen at this government, I'll be telling him, don't do this road like this. So he ain't not doing it. Right now, he has spoiled again. None of you complain of that. You left your party, automatically you are not causing problem in another party. Why you fair come out? You are not even responsible. If you are responsible, you don't be jumping here and there. Look at all the politicians. Who they fair call terrorists? Who they fair call thief? Automatically they are not good. Those kind of people are not supposed to listen to them. They don't show themselves, say they be fool. They proving themselves to you that they are not relevant in any cover. A man that regret of his word all the time. Look at God. He said, I will never repent of my word. Thou shalt not is thou shalt not. So God not get time for your things. Now we human being now they consider those nuisance. Imagine, see the other one where he did. Person who felt to say na thief, he can never be trusted. Now you want to come out now. So that to say where who with him. Who were going anyhow. All of them they go back to their vomit. You are trying to play trick with people for this life. See you that day now, you be like monkey. It ain't not gonna say. It ain't not gonna say now. Before my father died, he was even more fresher than some of them. And he was comfortable with the life he lives. To see all the children grow up in grace all the time. He not get umila. That to say my father was a wealthy man. My mother was a very wealthy woman. Giving birth to responsible children. Ne damas hagin. Ne kose mehem yevo. We will see what your children are going to become. Then who you are supporting, he have even built down nations for their children. They have built a nation for their children. Who you they support? You yourself, you don't even have food to eat. You want that put. They pay money where their children want to read masters. They don't even know book. I pay you turn. Then you are there fooling yourself. Who is fooling who there? Then you expect I can't die for one person. At the end of Basaki matter, me until let you know. Megwa Obasaki wa so we that megwa we are here. Sir, His Excellency okay no ye. But I mean what working ata. E wo ne matter ye lago down. We must learn how to say the truth and nothing but the truth. But the way we are taking this whole thing, we are overtaking it too personal. As if we love the state. Okay, all this the man is doing, who is to complete it? Now, man, I want to finish the work. Stupid set of people. Who is to complete the work? Who is to complete the work? At times of footballers, they are not happy. If you read them, come on for match. Common match. Cristiano Ronaldo at times, if you change them for game, he go just excuse face. With a watch match. It Messi get the way you take remove him for match, he go cause quarrel. I'm not more a working governor. A working governor. You conspire against it now. You want to try all this. You people don't they use voodoo. Don't they use mudu. Walu keti ya fe. No waya Soviet yeke. No wa more administration there. Ora me COVID-19 avere. Who know whether COVID-20 go still come? Wa conspire you know. The so-called politicians in Orion, have they not be politicians in Orion? What is happening in Orion? So any Orion that is even supporting any of you, any Orion children, sorry to say, most of them, if you are supporting them, you don't know what you are doing. Thank God, if you were, we can choose to say, well, we may be Nigerian day. We'll go show them Togo where una go stay here. If you don't want to give us brafa. We are calculating. We are trying to get alternative. In all ramification, we are trying to get alternative. And that alternative must come. You are not supporting Obaseki. You are not supporting Brafa. Then who are you? You are a fool now. You don't know what you are doing. Not be now we support even the calculate now. So no, my igeni, what are past are past. That's why I don't dig into history. But the people that were killed during the Brafa is enough for Nigerian government. And you so called that is not agitating today. They are not bad. Uma be agitate, no problem. But don't let me see you say you go balance for Brafa. It ain't do it. People that are not talking, they are calculating. Immediately they hear say you don't ready. They don't announce they want to call Brafa. All of them go to run the backland for anyway. I know my people. The people that is not talking now they want to run right there. Then get money now. Before you know, they'll say now one over here don't have buy that house where they near that church. That's what they do. They only want to get it cheap. That's where we'll go Italy that time go protest. The people right now that is ranting here and there who say they couldn't do anyone protest to protect their people. They couldn't do anyone. Okay, how will you say you are helping your people? Udo dole doji. Then the people no really do with the logi. But mataya dole doji. That's why today now they said they are fighting for kingdom. You are fighting for kingdom, causing more mayhem to the kingdom. I've said it. That's why there are things I don't talk about. You that is even saying it, you are causing more disrespecting to this thing. Why social media now? Because there are fights you fight verbally. Why there are fights? Don't leave. Silence is the best answer given to a fool. If you want some matter to quench, don't forget about it and don't talk about it again. On our own, everybody are impersonating. Impersonation here. Hey, my watch here now. Hey, can market here. I dare you face where work me and anything. Why have your piavo in my wagmina? Area yagmina. You are causing me. Why cause traffic in here? People right now, what they are not supposed to hear is what they are hearing. Why fully one? Why do I wait to wagmina? Is that to fight? There are things I don't talk about because I cannot defend it. The mere why we have to defend. That's why I'll be asking questions. What does Obaseki done? We want to hear it. What does it do? What time, man? Did Obaseki violate you? Like we saw one of our brother where Obaseki yare when he make loto la webo. Obaseki when he loto la webo. Mama don't buy loto la webo we now Obaseki. People not come out for Nigeria. You can see how people that can just be a liar. You lie upon the government. Obaseki when he married the road Delibia when no Delibia kerewa. Oshomole not banded back. No banded back in no Vivier Kwame. What banded back? Okay, nene back in no bandit nania. Is it not killing today? A atrocity no raw now or matter of even banded back. ATM here am I? He collected food from the people. I band back. All banded back even like book. And what okay now? What are the people doing about it? What measures? Why we missionary? Why we serving in Nigeria? Why we know there year? Don't just be your comfort zone there. You cannot be your comfort zone and call yourself with that. Where we load there? Because why are you there now? You are going to go the way all of us went. You go and defend yourself. You wanna be a second and then you will now understand that yes. Then that's it. So let us know get it cheap in our comfort zone. Warani wa rona wa ugbe. Moses we got to past stage. We get mama compa is somewhere rotone. Nonsense people. He are from a different terrorist organization. Oh my God, how can you what happened to my father will happen to me? It is a taboo. A taboo, no. A lot of people today, they are in Nigeria there. Their father, they lost their parents. How were they able to bury their parents? It was the collective responsibility, collective effort of friends. Then you are there, you are not saying anything. Because you are still saying, well, it does not concern me. Who does it concern? And who is suffering here? I just passed for some time right now. I'm driving again now. That's why or maybe what to say 500 naira. Or the impostor have to pay the impostors. Because what I woman say 500 euro. It's not even up to 500 naira. I mean if you're born. But of them when can you have your mama or mama what the heck? My must boso man. We better pass on boy here. So Mona no look and say na so far with it. We better pass on boy here. Boy man who say what we say in boy so you have bank due to the frustration of their also or the life they choose to live. So people suffer here abroad also. So that's why we want everybody to be on this. Be a responsible citizen. See the best way you can help yourself. The only area I blame the government, I will not be telling government to start putting everybody on salary. It has never happened. Before that one will happen, except a new nation is being built. Megwa is to get a problem. I know the government can stop the insecurity. It can stop our brothers and sisters, our mother be killing the farm. The government can stop it with your effort. With your effort, the government can stop it. The government cannot do it alone. If you yourself are failed by one way or the other in your life endeavor, not to talk about when I pay salary, everything the government need help. That's why most of my video, I guess, the state government may be learning from it. If I'm not making mistakes, it might be learning from it. Don't know me, boy. I watch the social media. It might be learning from it. Where what this guy have said, there's truth in it. You can also drop such a video. Why the state government will also learn from it. About governable. Don't just be there and become an antagonist. You become a criticizer. A general overseer criticizer. We say the problem, we bring out the solution. That won't make you an activist. You see, so at time when he's talking, he also talked about the solution to the problem that we are facing. That is how it's supposed to be. I'm Ola Brokers, I'll call you back. So there are a lot of things that every one of us should understand. Until we get it clear, Madiana is rough for everybody. So I would have even been over supporting the government today, support the government on education, even the things I'm not supposed to support the government for, I will start supporting them. Okay, what am I going to gain? What am I going to gain? If I start supporting the government to decimate the state, I want you to have a better life. We have one man in Nigeria, have a prison. That's the kind of life. Not this one, everybody, the same rich people want to be rich. The same rich people want to be rich. They don't want you to even have anything to eat at all. And they are not there fighting for the people that is hungry right now. All of them, they are fighting for themselves. How many of them are fighting for you in the village? I want to know. Please share this video. We want to start charging them. The community of man where Mudiana where if none of my you know they in the place where we are today right now, in Edo State, there, people are killing themselves. People cannot have access to their farm. Then we have a lot of voices in the community who would have even helped by one way or the other. But they are not helping. They are for themselves. Yeah, we'll be incited. We'll be incited. Nobody's building industry. There was something here in my city someone told me. He said he went to go and buy Indomie. That Indomie he bought was made in Nigeria. You know, we get Dangote one. I said, no, we Dangote was working in. And the people that own that shop is Indian. That to say Dangote is shipping something abroad already. He's shipping Indomie abroad. Dangote. He said the road made in Nigeria in that Indomie. That is Dangote. Our politicians are home. All these wayward politicians, what are they producing? Did they even have a flour mill industry that can employ 500 people? Then we are talking the state. But what you have stolen from the state, use it to do something in the state. At least create source of employment. Why create? I don't know why those one not even they feed the swear for. Me, I'm interested for it. I have no apology for that. Yeah, we are. We see a governor. Please, if you are there, just write the time I spent. Now, let me end this video right now. If you are there, if you are led by the Spirit, write me the time I spent. I don't want to. I don't feel carried the other from the check out from there. Because of wicked. The politics here abroad, they know they take us do or die. You are coming to come and serve. Go and see Pablo Iglesias, the vice president right now of Spain. He never expected he's going to be a leader. Yeah, I wait in the way responsibility. Pedro Sanchez come online every day by day, talking to the people. A president who are they know they see a president yet on it way. They know they see a president now. They see him. Nobody talked about anything. No Edo politician criticized the federal government. No artisan criticized the federal government. Manakpa the devil take federal government. That to say, well, you guys are happy over what is happening. You guys are happy. Also, why you now? If war come tomorrow, do you think you can just run? On a bus and the airport, now they fair bomb. No plane can fly. A signal run, I am move. How are you going to move? So don't think that whatever thing we are doing today, a change in our society, a change in our government. At least make government still get fear of God small. Say a battle they use and do. Please, if any minute journal, just let me know. If any minute journal, I'm saying okay. Let me just say in 9 minutes time I should be rounding up. God bless you all. 8 minutes. So that's that. So please share this video. Everyone of us need to wake up. Let me show. So now you can see everywhere. All these things were not created. All these things were not created. The money our politicians have eaten is enough to do all these ones since Edo become Edo. See, we started practicing a democration of grace in that country. Huh? It's enough to make everywhere better than. But today, they have their country to start saying you are a born politician. The other day when they burn you with PVC. God punish most of them with bad this side. Stupid set of nincompoos. Because the people they keep quiet, they look now. Everybody will get a gun. This one will get a boys. Then they get boys here for giant. Go and campaign what you can give. Go and campaign is what you can give her. Election will still reach now. And those people don't forget what they don't go through. The Nigerian people forget the pains they went through. They'll forget them. Collect 5,000 for 4 years. 5,000 naira. Just the way Esau and Jacob program in the book of Genesis chapter 25. Because of a morsel of food. Or they are in his destiny. That's what people are doing today. Because one day meal, you have to put yourself in bondage. Now you are keeping quiet. This one is keeping quiet. Who is to do it? As you keep silent, you kept muted. And me, I kept muted. Who is to do it? Who is the mouthpiece? I'm not being paid for this. Even the people working under government Obaseki, most of them, they are receiving free money. Maybe they because there are a lot of things they allow His Excellency to be talking about. They're supposed to be the one to be talking about it. Minister for Education, Minister for Works, I'll be Commissioner for Works. Everybody should fit in whatever thing is doing. You are not there to start preparing paper. Whatever thing that is happening, be the one to stand and take responsibility of it. Not the government. And Minister for Work, and have me wait here, everything Obaseki. Small time now, if woman miss a period, now Obaseki cousin. On your weekend, you know, social media, all those mumu, MU, Akpabron, who does not even know themselves. They are in abroad is not in them. Huh? Very ugly set of creatures. They don't have it in their life. All of them are fake. Criticizing, you are not bringing a solution in your criticism. Huh? You should bring a solution. That's the best way to govern. Huh? The opposition party here abroad, they are criticizing you for something you are not doing well. This is how this is supposed to be. Then, before you know, the government will learn from it. Okay, where do you want the government to learn from? No perfection in humanity. No, even Jesus Christ never accept perfection. The only people that accept perfection now is some of those state political leaders. They accept perfections. That's why they don't. If they are criticizing you, they pay some EU to start criticizing some government. We have a lava who have a good man and we criticize well. You know. How will somebody be like you become an antagonista? Yeah? And they go see that unasi onare road, unasi onare earth. A lot of you will be thinking say all this way. No, it was not created. Don't get it twisted. It was never created. It's man-making. Man-making, no? Or managbo way. Or managbo God. Na doan. You know? This is a house they will soon destroy now. You know, maybe the government will soon ban, they'll come destroy. You see it. All these are 18-something house, now be this. Maybe now some Oibo will come invade Benin. It's so still you one of 1897, you know. So those are the things. I just parked my car right now. Oh, sorry, not the car, my car not pen, you know. So every one of us should be very, very careful the way we do some certain things. Because this life is for everybody. It's not made for one particular person. So let's not begin to act. Before you start criticizing the government of the day, know that you are criticizing the government constructively. As you are criticizing the government, you are letting him know this is not supposed to be like this. Look at how it's supposed to be. That's what doing. God will say bless you. At the time you become an antagonista, you are doing what you are doing because of hatred. Then anything we enter our hand with the escalator past the way it's even supposed to be. Anything we enter our hand with the escalator pass even the way it ought to be. You know, for how long are we going to continue living that kind of archaic life? You know, somebody you will leave your pan, your man house. You can't reach somewhere. You will stay the environment. Nobody will intimidate you. But your state you cannot stay without you know the rate to figure in the air. Yeah? Must I become a colored man before my voice will be heard? Must I become a killer before I can walk in the state I call my own? It's a question we need to ask ourselves. Check all of them today. Check all. They'll say now this one get me. Waiting make can get me. Did he have industry where he's training people that make him to has men? He has men because he's the number one man now. He has men. Why not get men before? We'll be saying, I need to teach them. So, can you, wherever your children is, so they are supposed to be initiated by one person or the other. He have more money than you. Parents are losing their children today. Parents are losing their children because of your political benefit. Because you want to rule. For how long are we going to continue that kind of life? You brainwash people. Not, oh, my son, don't do this. I remember those days in my areas. Most of the young boys, graduate and all, they're not the one passing my children. They'll say, that man did there. We once did there. We not go there today. We not pass that. I may not go set exam for you. He go give you assignment. Are you aware, my son? If you do, okay, what are you trying to do to make sure the future is bright? They're not go pass again. Then you are gagging them up. Look at this thing we are doing. You that was supposed to be now, that man, a youth center. No, that man is a youth center. If you get closer to that man, you're the reason where. We have watched some home of laughter, whatever, where this very guy, he said they motivate them. Why people come? Why is he motivating them? Telling them what they must have to do. You can be a motivational speaker, speaking something destiny to people's life. My son, this thing is not good. I was one felt like you. Do you know the most interesting thing? I get nothing out of it. I was a bushwalker for 30 years, my son. Right now, I'm 65. For 30 years, I hold a position. But what you get from it, if people respect you, they fear you. What am I going to gain? People keep on fearing me, you know. That one should be something anybody will bring up. The reason why I use myself at times as an example, to educate our people, you can do job now and still become who God wants you to be. May see me today, right? Did I still look like somebody who want to clear 100 by 100 naira? In the early 90s, precisely 90 or within 92 or thereabout? No, nobody again. He's no longer there. But those things just to keep me strong is a part of life. Was the family suffering? No. Did my condition also worth it? No. I just want to see what can I do for myself at this point in time. Is to make sure that if my mates are going out, at least I have money to use on my own. Even you are Dizoko. The Madam 12 I did those days. So if at all parents won't even share money, may I dare you devi. Una know what they call a for those of you that are there. It devi bago me. So that the rest of your brother go the one that say, one amigo. That's why we do what we do. Right now, our fathers who would have tell our children, tell their children, no, my children, no, don't do that. A seminar right now is supposed to be going around in the opening. Stop killing yourself. Somebody will just come and say, I was number one man in the year 1980, so and so color. But today I'm getting old. I got nothing out of it. I get nothing out of it. But thank God I did not kill anybody. But we are encouraging them. Election and what day. You have men, you have followers. Why am I followers in a construction company? Is it construction company that you have that make people follow you? They follow you because you carry gun. They follow you because you are your number one man. Why not let begin to do something on the playground? I'll just see campaign. People go lack my dollar. Okay, men are deliver. That is how it's supposed to be. Let's not begin to get it twisted all the time. We take it some certain people as a demigod. All those are sentimental bullshit. A leader, a papa. Very me why na bobo 15 years. My work by the room mapa. Which the EU, if they see us, then go arrest us. My work by the terrorist organization. What for? I want to me now. Association mana ideba. Association na ya dollar woji. Association that even our aims and objective organ muyitane. Our aims and objective. Donald Trump go see all the rigo nima where I executed. Let the Okofra bring out your aims and objective. Venu waduena. Na mo are watchers. That's why I blame her. If Nigerians were to be good, all these things, I can't say anybody now because he's not using on anything. He's eradicating our youth, polluting the mind of our youth. They are not using the strength they have to go into farming. No, they don't go to farming. They don't do job. Full and investment we are talking about today right now. How did they come to be? Our youth never want to work. They never want to do job. And we do the same job out here. A lot of our brothers right now, they are in the farm. Some of them are looking for farm work to do. Farm work which you cannot do. Then Fulani herdsmen will not come. You wherever you were. Then we are practicing cost. Then you must die in a hurry. Except if Mama na correct error. Why me no sooner we doing it? Because the way innocent people blood is being shed, God is not happy and heaven is not happy about it. It will come to a time. Osabas want more with the leaders. Because you people have the strength. I've given a lot of advice here. I've said it a time with that number on what a measure in Mahamuladian to make sure that particular thing we are trying to achieve, we achieve it. Don't show concern what man can wear. It's your responsibilities as a leader. Protect lives. Whether you are local leader, you are federal leader, or whatever leader you are, that's supposed to be your first priority. Your first thing, is fundamental. It's not something that is negotiable. It's a must. I have a negotiator. You don't be a leader. People are killing themselves. You sit down there in your throne. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing there? Why did God even make you to be a leader in anything? Be that these children, they don't want to respect themselves. Constitutionally, have they been permitted? Did they have the constitutional right to start killing themselves? No. You may say, "Walk your mark, now they know. Good, no problem." But there is affecting the community. It's affecting the community. Those days they used to use bottle to fire. Again, have a big partner. When we negotiate those days, are you boy now? Are you boy now? Now make a lot of people come go to do pick and light. There are a lot of friends those days, they'll go back pick and light. Some go mark it do. If you the pick and not come off for ground. Gun was not that common like this. A killing my work now. None of them want to fight. Someone will just grow up how to lie. We even see it in social media. And yet, if I thought the government is keeping quiet, how many do we, a woman and your honor, doing a political leader now, when what are you people doing? What are you people doing about it? What are the measures on ground? How many of you have called the state government where draw the government attention to this thing? State government, look at what is happening. I know you to be a very, very intelligent man. I know if you know right from time where this is like this, you might have stopped it. But look at what our people are doing against themselves. What must we not do? You can write him a letter. If you can write a letter, you want to deflect, you want to decamp. Why not care about the people? We are no governing. Whom are you people come and govern? Then you people are doing primaries. Under what people detriment? Are you people doing the primaries? You can see that there are a lot of lapses today as far as this life is concerned. Until we change the narrative of this whole thing, to change the life. We are the one that is going to rewrite the history by ourselves. And the way I'm saying right now, everyone to stand. Any of our leaders, political leaders from Hawaii, is not talking about Fulani herdsmen killing our mothers. Because any person that died in Orion Odin is my mother. Any person that they kill in Orion, in a door as a whole, even up to some good Fulani, is my mother, is my father, is my brother. Which will stand against it. I will not say because they have not killed me. A land where they split innocent blood, the land in Laodao. Coronavirus is killing here and there. Then every one of us is looking up and down. Do you think any European authority will just wait while some group of people are killing themselves? No. The community will be the first to rise up. But we are not rising. Those ones have no money. They don't even have money to even buy one and write whatever. Why some of us, we are just there. We are there as a non-movement, not being productive. A company might kill. We cannot separate too far. Then what are we doing? Why are we living? Why are we living? Brafa we cannot agitate for. You are just there very rosy. You think area we born here. We have run the statistics 10 years from now. If you are 50 years today, 10 years from now you are 60. If you are 60 today, 10 years from now you are 70. You are closer to your grave. I'm going to look at what you are going to eat. When in the government, where he is going, he ends there. He never ends there. Tomorrow may come, they'll say they want to cut that help they are giving to you. How are you going to live? If we now have a reason tomorrow working now, we have to go back to our country. The country nobody. Which state are you going? If at all we are not even there. I'm talking to them. I think I should be talking about, let's say if you talk about a dose, I should be talking on behalf of 3.5 million of a dose. Why the rest of them, maybe I'm not talking about, they have money, they have house in Dubai, they don't even have plans of going home again. This video is made for everybody. It's not made to campaign for Obaseki. But rather than, it is good at times we say the truth. It's good at times we say the truth to ourselves. Or when the truth you know and you apply it to work for you. The only thing that will save us right now is the truth. We must keep on telling ourselves the truth. A community where truth is being lacked, no development go on there. No development. You can see this plot of land right now. This plot of land, maybe any time from now, company will come and buy it. The structure where they want to put, they don't already do and down. You can see. They're not the see, but the bottom not even still there. You can see the whole cars everywhere is well arranged. Everywhere well arranged. You park your car, you know, you just do your thing there. That's it. Most of the time, our problem, we don't know. Huh? We don't know. Do you know this building right now? Do you know how many people that live? Thousands of people live in this building. Everybody is in his flat. You can be in this house right now. Other people will get light. You yourself, only your flat not will get light. They have so programmed everything. You don't do illegal connection here. A 24-hour light in abroad, yes, he who work there. Government cannot give you free light here. They can give you other places, but it's paying. You have to pay your light bill. You get where they go pay, do reach. 1B, second B, they'll bring one in. Maybe the third bit go come. Before you know, they'll cut them. The money we used to pay before in 2 months, now we they pay now for 1 month. The money we used to pay before in lights for 2 months is now 1 month. You know? Please, if you are watching me, I cannot pin this because the battery run down, and I'm even sharing the network, you know. So I will soon enter house now. I'm just in front of my domain now. So for those of you who know all those more than know my house. So man, you know. So let us try to see the best we can. If every one of us really join hands together for a better society, we can achieve it. There is nothing in this life that is not achievable. There is nothing in this life that is not achievable. It's just that we are not yet tired of the situation we are facing. If really we are tired, banana, everybody don't shout now. Don't mind all these people. Politicians that came last 2 years, you saw one man, today or even do a man. No, that is politics. They are listening to you. The very day any person became a politician, learn no money. Politician is different from me. I'm an activist. I'm not a commercial activist. I'm the normal activist. Commercial activists and politicians run away from them. That is why they can tune you. If you watch it right from Take It Back, the ideology I got in 2017, ever since I'm being in the public domain, is what I'm supporting today. The only way you people today can even see any misconception is about what did they call it? About my support for Governor Obaseki. That's why I've also explained to us several times. Look at the reason why I'm doing what I'm doing. God bless you all, and do have a nice day. By the grace of God, if we have times, then we may be broadcasting later in the day or so to talk about some other issue that is affecting us. God bless you all. Please make sure you share this video. I don't want it to be more than this very minute. So we are still praying that God Almighty will give us the grace to keep on doing the best we can. You know, please, it's not everything people say in social media you digest. And let everybody be morally mature. Put something in your head. If people are saying what you don't like, don't put it to your head and begin to run comment. Just remove your eye away from there. Follow good programs. We have a lot of people to really talk about the well-being of our countries. Our country is not going to be fixed by political wars. There are so many languages our politicians used. It's just for them to get to where they are going to or to enrich themselves. That's why any person that is not doing things you ought to do, or you are not saying what you ought to do, he's saying for his own personal benefit. If you look at it, all these things I'm saying right now, are you seeing myself inside? Are you seeing that I'm in the boy now? No, I the feel for you. You have a lawa balance. I just don't like I will own anything I like. Okay, I buy more pay. Pay. So imagine a state, a country where they praise the Lord, they don't bring light. Before you know it, you say, oh God. They say here. And when the Bible have said, thou shalt not mention the name of the Lord that God is in. How will you be mentioning the name of the Lord? How many times do we even say Jesus here? For those of you that are abroad, you know now, you only mention Jesus' name. Maybe you are passing through nightmare. Because everything is okay. If you are driving, there is a modality why would you drive. There is a precaution you take. The precaution you take in driving. So we not mention the name of the Lord that God is in here. That's why God even they bless us past. Even people where they the so-called Africa today. Because why? Now they really serve the God. because everything is in place. If you have headache, you can call the ambulance. If ambulance is not just forthcoming, maybe they are occupied, you can call your friend, please. Come take me go hospital. My girl, my body do. You go there, go emergency. After some time, it depends on what carry you come. They'll still treat you, give you drugs. You'll come out. There are most of us today right now, we know they buy drugs. I explained to us one time how I just, okay, I just got this paracetamol for us, Frenadol and the rest, you know. Getting there, because this thing happened, first of all, happened in 2015. Because I not be person where they go from myself, and I don't take things for granted. So getting there, I found out that they write this thing for me, receptor, the money was there. When I got to the chemist, I want to buy. He give me, now I say, Quanto Valley. He can't say yes, gratis. So that was, this is still there, my paper. He get where your paper go strong, rich, you will be due to start collecting free medicine. And these are medicine. We will not want to even they go hospital. People don't even see money to buy. You expect me I not cry? I the feel for una. Make una the feel for una self too. So as from today, as you continue to the feel for yourself also, God Almighty will bless you in the mighty name of Jesus. Please let me leave you here and remain blessed and stay cool in Jesus' name. Amen.